In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make vertical text in Canva. Vertical text is a clean, eye-catching way to style titles, side labels, and accents on posters, social posts, and presentations. The nice part is, you don't need any advanced tools to do it. We'll keep it simple and precise so you can get consistent results every time. Start by opening your design project in Canva. If you already have text on your canvas, select it. If not, add a new text box and type the words you want to appear vertically. Now, click once on that text box to make sure it's selected. You'll see the bounding box with handles appear around the edges. Next, focus on the handles on the left and right sides of the text box. Click and drag those side handles inward to make the box narrower. Keep dragging until the text box is tight enough that only one letter fits on each line. As you do this, Canva will automatically wrap the text, stacking your letters one above the other so the word reads from top to bottom. This is the core move that turns a regular line of text into vertical text. At this point, the letters will likely look a bit spaced out and awkward. That's normal. To make it look polished, go to the toolbar at the top and open the line spacing options. Drag the line spacing control to the left to tighten the vertical space between each letter. The goal is to bring the characters closer together so they read as one cohesive column rather than a scattered list of letters. Adjust slowly and watch the canvas as you go so you don't over-tighten. If the characters begin to overlap or look cramped, ease the slider back to the right until everything is clear and readable. A few quick tips for a clean finish. Fonts with simple, consistent shapes tend to look best in vertical layouts, and uppercase text often reads more evenly when stacked. If your word includes punctuation or special characters, check that they sit comfortably within the column after tightening the spacing. You can also fine-tune the width of the text box again if a letter feels misaligned. A small nudge can help keep the column tidy. And that's it. You've taken a normal line of text, narrowed the box so one letter sits on each line, and refined the look by tightening line spacing. Save your project, and you're ready to use your new vertical text across any design in Canva.